Dr. B, can you adjust me real quick? Dr. B? In the bathroom? Hey, can you adjust me real quick, please?
Tell me, Dr. Golbek, are you ready to be healed?
I just need to get adjusted. I just slept funky. I just need to get adjusted.
What?
Can you adjust me really quick?
Like a chiropractic adjustment? Do you know where you are?
I know where I am, but sometimes you just need to get adjusted.
People literally come from all over the galaxy to get the kind of work you and I do.
I know, but I'm coming here to get adjusted.
Okay, it's your life. Okay, well that took about 2 minutes.
Oh man, that was perfect, thank you.
I didn't really do anything.
It was everything I needed.
Okay, well, get back to work. Everything he needed. Baby. Well, I hope you're satisfied.
It was perfect.
Yeah, whatever. Well, you have asked for it, and we are giving it to you. Tensegrity Chiropractic, for the very first time in our long storied history, we are going to be doing just traditional chiropractic appointments. We're scheduling 5-minute appointments where we'll rack them and crack them, anything you want. We might even have a minute or two to do something else, maybe. We'll see, like soft tissue work.
We wanted an option for people to come in after we've already taken care of all those high-level things, that they can just get the little things fixed.
I mean, I like getting adjusted. I guess we're just known for doing other things, but sometimes you're right. There's nothing better than an adjustment. So there you go. We will be offering this at a significant discount from our normal appointments. You can schedule those by calling 918-280-4280.